Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your Fiverr notification sound. This is a great way to customize your experience and make sure you never miss an important message or order update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your Fiverr profile. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your Fiverr account, including how you receive notifications. Once you're in the Account Settings area, click on Notifications. This section controls all the ways Fiverr communicates with you, from email alerts to in-app sounds. It's an important area to familiarize yourself with if you want to stay on top of your freelance work or project requests. Now, look for the option labeled Sound Effects. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and toggle it on. This action enables the notification sound feature, allowing you to hear alerts whenever something important happens on your account. Whether it's a new message, an order confirmation, or a milestone update, you'll now be notified audibly. Finally, to save all these changes, click Update Preferences. This ensures that your new notification settings are applied and active moving forward. Your Fiverr account will now alert you with sound, helping you stay more responsive and engaged with your clients or sellers. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Fiverr notification sound settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.